This year, I'm going to be actually speaking at Lashcon. Close the curtains, take a 15-minute power nap. This weekend is to show out with the outfits, the hair, the makeup. What else would I recommend you guys have? Like a little nutrition bar, like a little snack. How to build a 17 mil business in less than 10 years. Hey babes, my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Wow, I missed that intro so much. It's been such a long time since I've just sat down and chit-chatted with you guys. Usually I'm on the go, I'm doing vlogs, and I just missed sitting down and talking about one particular subject. So today we're going to talk about Lashcon because it's literally in 2 weeks. If you have never been to Lashcon, this is the video for you. I'm going to go over what to expect and also what to bring to Lashcon because it is a overwhelming weekend to say the least. It is a lot of fun. I'm very excited because this year I'm going to be actually speaking at Lashcon. On Monday, I'm going to be on a panel with Venice from Secret Lash Studio and also Ariel from Flourish Lash. Ashley from Ashley PLA, the Lash Poppy, Ashley Coaching on Instagram is going to be hosting us. I'll have all their information down below, but let's get started. If you guys have been to Lashcon before, you know how amazing Lashcon is. I'm actually going to be pulling up their schedule so we can kind of stay on track of what to expect. But first tip, make sure you bring extra luggage. I always make this mistake. I never bring extra luggage. I'm an overpacker and I feel like that's totally fine. This weekend is to show out with the outfits, the hair, the makeup, but make sure you have extra luggage. So all the products that you're gifted and also all the products that you're going to be buying have a space in your luggage. I always make this mistake, and when I get to the airport, my luggage is so heavy. Sometimes I have to go and purchase luggage over there. So just make sure you're bringing luggage because there's so many amazing brands at the Lash conference that you can test out tweezers. Pick your favorite tweezers, test out lashes. There's lots of lash merch, just lots of things to look at, and I'm sure you're going to want to buy stuff apart from your goodie bag that if you overpack and you don't have extra luggage, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So tip number one, bring extra luggage. This is going to be a completely new experience for me as well. I have gone to the conference in the past, but this year I'm speaking at the Lash conference, and also it's going to be at a completely different location that it has been in previous years. It has been in Pasadena, California. This year it's going to be in Anaheim, California, which is completely different. I am staying at the hotel that the conference is going to be held, and that's tip number two for you. Stay at the hotel. You are going to regret it if you get a hotel that is not at the Lash conference, because in between all these speeches from you going to a panel and then going to the trade show, you're probably going to want to rest your feet, and instead of you waiting in the lobby area where there's so many lash artists passing by and it's so exciting to, you know, chat with them. But if you are kind of like me, I'm an extrovert introvert. I give so much when I'm around people that I need that time to recuperate and fill my battery back up. So I love staying at the hotel because I can quickly get on the elevator, go upstairs, leave all the stuff that I bought, change shoes, you know, lay in my bed, close the curtains, take a 15-minute power nap, turn some ASMR, put some room spray in my bed, and just relax in my like environment. Even if you're like, oh well, I'm just staying at a hotel 5 minutes away, that Uber ride or you having to walk there is going to be very exhausting. So make sure you stay at the hotel. Tip number two. Let's get started into the actual schedule. Friday, you get there, registration opens, which means you get your badge, you get your little goodie bag, all that good stuff, check into your hotel, get a grab to eat, and that night they are having the Lash Mix and Meets sponsored by My Brand Lashes and Tiffany. I believe it is a all-white party on the actual app, like the website I mean. It doesn't say it's an all-white party, that it is an all-white party, so make sure you wear something white, okay? And that is going to be at a rooftop, which I believe is at the hotel. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe in October 3rd, the app is going to open up where you can actually schedule things, kind of like a Google Calendar, like all the schedules on there, and you can like reserve how you want to build your conference. Make sure you are arriving to the conference Friday, check in, relax, and get ready for the all-white party that night. So Saturday, the conference officially starts. If you do not arrive Friday, or you just don't want to go to the all-white party, you can register at 8 a.m. You get your badge, your goodie bag, and at 9 the conference officially starts. So it is at a hotel. I'm not sure, when I first got there it was very overwhelming. I didn't understand it. So it is a lot of rooms at the hotel, not like sleeping rooms, like at the lobby of the hotel. If you guys have ever wandered around a hotel, there is huge meeting rooms, and that is where the Lashcon is being held at a hotel, in these huge conference rooms. And every time someone is speaking, there's probably like 4 or 5 speakers you can choose from at different rooms. And once you purchase your Lashcon ticket, you do get access to the Lash Conference app, which if you go to a speaker at, let's say, the California room, you are not going to miss the other speakers, like their speeches or whatever, their presentations, because Paul does record all these presentations and uploads it to the app. So later, after the conference is over, you go back home, you can listen to them as a podcast, watch them, whatever you prefer. But of course, you do have to choose who you want to see live and in person. But that is how the conference is. You go and you see all these people speaking. At 1 p.m., they do have a lash artist meetup. I will post videos as I'm talking so you guys can kind of get a visual of what I'm talking about. This lash artist meetup, if you didn't go to the white party, you get to see everyone who is at the conference, because how I mentioned earlier, a lot of the time there is a lot of presentations, speeches, all that going on in different rooms. So for the lash artist meetup, mostly everyone goes and they talk to each other. Last year there was like a scavenger hunt, so you were able to, you know, say like, who here's from Memphis? So you get to, you know, talk to other people. I'll also have my YouTube videos from previous Lashcons linked down below, so you guys can get also a visual of how the Lash Conference is. At 2 p.m, let's see, it's a little confusing. I prefer the app. I still don't have access to it, like I mentioned earlier. That's when it's a lot more streamlined and easy for you to like navigate, because right now it's showing a bunch of stuff like VIP reception sponsored by Beautier, Lash Artist Meetup Part 2 at 2:30. The trade show area opens at 4 p.m. The trade show closes at 6:30 p.m. And then at 8 p.m. Kathy White is going to have a Vegas welcome party at the Marriott Hotel. All of this is included. The parties are included in your ticket, even if you get a VIP ticket or a standard. You can go to the party, or you can opt out and do something else, like go out for dinner with your friends. Also with the trade show, you do not have to go. Like, you can definitely meet up with some of your lash friends, go meet up with your mentor, go meet up with someone that you really want to meet IRL. Sunday, 8 a.m, there is a self-care for your health by Abby. I've done that in the past. I personally still like to work out again to fill up my social battery by being alone. I get to work out, move my body. So at 8 a.m, you guys can go and attend Abby's. I have attended in the past, so if you check out one of my YouTube videos, I do record Abby and how it looks. There's gonna be breakfast, and at 8:50, main session 1 with Paul and Tessany, the long game, that's what they're calling it. So on Sunday, that is going to be the first session where we are all together. It's like a huge room. Everyone at the Lash conference is there and everyone is seeing these videos. Again, if you miss it, if you sleep in late, you can re-watch it on the app later on. At 11:30 a.m. there is a lunch break. Then you come back and then more speakers. So yeah, all of these are just speeches. You guys can check it out down below. For the speeches, I do recommend you to bring a water bottle and a iPad, a notebook with something to write on. I always take my iPad. If you guys didn't know, I do have a digital planner. I'll have it linked down below. You can use this digital planner on your phone, on your iPad. You can plan out your month, your year, your day, hour by hour, and there is also a section where you can have notebooks. I have used my notebooks for just different things like YouTube, lots of different ways. Check it out down below, but make sure you have something where you can write notes in. I always use my iPad because it's just so thin, accessible, and just like I can take pictures of people's presentation and, like, you know, draw little arrows. I find it a lot easier to keep memory notes if I'm taking pictures, adding it to my notes, kind of like a journal and taking notes that way. So I love digital planning, digital notebooking, so that'll be down below. But make sure you have a notebook, a water bottle, maybe a sweater. I personally felt like it was so cold at the conference last year at the hotel. It was pretty chilly. Make sure you have like a little zip up, some lip balm because your lips, you do not want to be crusty. What else would I recommend you guys have? Like a little nutrition bar, like a little snack, because it does get a little overwhelming when you're hearing all these people. You're so inspired. You're like, oh yeah, I want to start a product line. Oh my god, I want to build a $17 million business. Oh my god, I want to have an online course. Oh my god, I want to hire all these people. It's a lot. It is a lot. So make sure you have a little bit of like a nutrition bar or something in your purse so you can like snack on. Some gum, definitely. What else would I recommend you guys having in your bag? I don't know. Okay, so let's go on to Monday. That is when I'm speaking. Again, at 8 a.m. you could go to Abby to stretch and like have a little workout with her. But at 9:30, make sure you come to us, Empowering the Solo Lash Artist. The host, Ashley Gonzalez, panel, Venice, Jessica, and Ariel. Make sure you come there. And then again, just more breakout sessions where you guys just go and see all these different people. And then that night is the Pajama Wrap Party by Allie Lily. I love the pajama party. This is the party where you let loose. It's the last place you're gonna see all the lash artists, because then on Tuesday we're all flying home unless you're making a vacation out of it. It's going to be such an amazing weekend. I'm so excited. Make sure you have your outfits ready. I personally do about 3 to 4 outfits per day. You heard that right. I get out of my pajamas, I go into my workout outfit, then I go back to my hotel, take a shower, and get ready for the conference, which is something business, casual, relaxing. I don't know, maybe something like what I'm wearing right now. And then I have my party outfit at night. So 4 outfits for 3 days. It's gonna be intense, but it's gonna be a lot of fun. If you guys have any questions about the Lash conference, leave it down below. I'll make sure to answer. Go follow me on Instagram because I am on Instagram every single day. Follow me on TikTok. I have a new TikTok. My old one got banned, which I'm trying to be more consistent on. So all of that will be linked down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, I love you guys. Bye.